A venue's Wi-Fi connectivity is one of the most important factors a client should look at while choosing a venue for their event. High density and high capacity Wi-Fi and connectivity is becoming increasingly more important. People are coming in with 2 to 3 devices per user. They demand high speeds from each of those devices. That's why it's no longer acceptable for a venue to have one connectivity allocation per user. It needs to be at least 2, 3, in some cases 4. The information they'll need to know themselves is, what are their users likely to be downloading? Are they likely to be streaming? Do you have an app? When it comes to scoping your Wi-Fi, speed and connectivity, density, is probably the most important factors that you need to consider. These come at different costs, have different capabilities, and therefore you need to really be talking to your technical manager to understand what capabilities you need for your event, what speeds you need for your clientele to make sure that you get the best event experience possible. Another important question a client should ask a venue is, what digital branding is available? How can I avail of signage to better brand my event? High definition digital signage is a great way of showcasing company branding. It also acts as a fantastic way to promote conference partners or selling sponsorship opportunities. Signage is often the last thing that organisers think about, but it's the first thing that delegates notice when they walk into the venue. Organisers should ask, what type of signage is available? Can we put video on it? Is it Ultra HD? Can it be moved? Are there mobile units? Organisers should also ask, what signage is included in the package and what are my upgrade options?